Okay guys, here we are. Forgive the reflection of my ring light on my glasses, but I have a note here to myself so I can tell you exactly what these shirts are, the style numbers and the colors. I got 10 shirts from needen.ca, and of course that's the Canadian website. If you're in the United States, you use needen.com. And so I've opened the envelope here already, but I've taken just two out, and here they are. So we've got these two are, well, first again, I got 10 shirts, 5 different colors, 2 of each color. Okay, so this is the Gildan 64,000 Softstyle t-shirt. And yeah, 2 of these. This color is Heather Sapphire. See that? It's pretty nice, feels pretty soft, of course. It's called a soft style t-shirt for a reason, I guess. It is soft. Heather Sapphire. And then this one is a little bit different. There's these two, I guess, again. This is the Gildan G500 Heavy Cotton. Again, 2 of these. This color is Heliconia. See, kind of a darker pink color. Fuchsia, I guess. 2 of those. And then we have, again, the Gildan G500 Heavy Cotton, light pink. And here we go. Okay, there you go. That's how those look. And of course, we'll try one on just to show you how they fit. Extra large, by the way. I'm an extra large, so my t-shirts are extra large, and that's what works for me. We'll see how they fit, though. We'll see if an extra large is the right choice. And now we're back to the Gildan 64,000 soft style t-shirts here. 2 purple. See, it doesn't really look like purple on camera, I don't think, but it's, looking at it in front of me, it is definitely a true purple. Got 2 of those. And then we've got, again, the Gildan 64,000 soft style t-shirt, 2 red as well. And you can see those. Okay? A true red. So maybe instead of trying, I mean, I guess what I'll do is I'll try one of each style number. You know, I'll try a 64,000 and then I'll try a G500. So let's maybe try a red one on here. Take my glasses off. Take my shirt off here. And we'll see how this fits. And again, this is the red. This is the Gildan 64,000 soft style t-shirt. So I think it'll be a pretty good fit. I guess we'll see. Notice the hole for the neck's a little bit tight, but yeah, it feels good. There we go. The red 64,000 feels good. Nice. And then we'll try one of the G500, which of course again is either the pink, the light pink, or the Heliconia. So we'll try maybe the Heliconia. Okay, here we go. And again, this is the heavy cotton, the G500. Yeah, so a little heavier, so may or may not be suitable for summer use, depending on how hot your summers get where you are. But let's try this on. Okay. Yeah, it feels good. It's good length. Yeah, it feels good. So I needed some shirts. I bought them. These were actually quite inexpensive. Each shirt was just a little over $4 each, but of course they get you on the shipping. The shipping was ridiculous. But even with the shipping factored in, you know, you're spending less than you would in a store for each shirt. So I'd say it's worth it. Again, I've tried them on now. They feel good. They fit well. Yeah, needen.ca. And again, for the viewers in the United States, needen.com. So go there, and if you need some shirts, it's a good website. Thanks, guys. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and we will see you in the next video.